mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 26, 2024, Friday Racing. Umpisa ng karera, 5 p.m. 7 races. Yung 1, 3, 6, 7 ay may 1,400 meter distance. Yung race 2, 4, and 5 ay 1,200 meter. Ngayong Miyerkules, na-cancel yung karera dahil sa masamang weather. Most likely, yung winner-take-all carryover, 3,334,000 plus, ay ngayon ikakarga. At yung Super 6 carryover, 48,000 plus. Kung titignan, mas mahirap yung lineup o programa ngayong Miyerkules kaysa ngayong Biyernes. Pero hindi ibig sabihin madali ang karera dahil alam nyo naman ang karera ay tapat-tapat. Harinawa, matapat ang ating mga cool choices sa mga mananalo. Race number 1. First choice number 4, high intensity. Second choice number 6, wildcat. Race 2. First choice number 8, take a chance. Second choice number 6, Summerlin. Race 3. Only choice number 4, Lemon Bell. Race 4. First choice number 2, Fort Kennedy. Second choice number 3, No Senyang Yana. Third choice number 5, High Quality. Race number 5. First choice number 1, Double Strike. Second choice number 2, Bullet. Third choice number 7, Keep the Jade. Race 6, ito yung race na may pentapekta. First choice number 2, I'll Be There. Second choice number 6, Star of the Future. Third choice, Coupleden 3, 1, Piece of Cake. 1A, Sun Moon Lake. Race 7, last race na may Super 6. First choice number 2, Heroes Del 96. Sa akin po, lamang at malamang na manalo ito, pero paratingan. Second choice number 6, Bonnie Avenue. Kabayo ni Sir JC. Laging labas, basta kabayo ni Sir JC. Third choice number 9, Biglang Buhos. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!